Assalamualaikum and very good day. I bid to Dr. Muhammad Ashari Haji alias our data structure and algorithm lecturer for section 9. We would like to present our mini project documentation, and I am Muhammad Fahmi bin Nurji with my team members Roshandev Daniel and Abdul Azim bin Abdul Malik. So let's go. Okay, we go through the synopsis of the project. So car rental is a vehicle which can be used for a certain time with a fee. Renting a car helps people get around despite the fact they do not have access to their own personal car, and car nowadays are very expensive to be owned. So car rental services nowadays are become more popular with high demand in the community. As we know, car rental agency is a company that rents automobiles such as a car for a short period of time, whether in a few hours or days. But now, but now not all of them provide online car reservations, which will give benefit for the user. The system will work manually and will cause several problems to the user. So the objectives of the project: first, to transform the manual system car rental services into a computerized system that can run smoothly without any problems. Second, to validate the system using a user satisfaction test. And lastly, to ensure the system created follows the data structure algorithm concepts such as stack and searching. Now, I like to now I would like my friend Abdul Azim bin Abdul Malik to present the coding.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Azim. So I'm in charge of explaining the coding part. So as you can see here, as Fahmi has said just now, we have implemented stacking and searching in our program. So in the screen that currently being shared right now is the starting of stack. In this, the main place where stack will begin. In the stack, I put boolean push, string pop, and boolean is empty, as it is the important part of ran stack. Fahmi, can you scroll down a little bit? As you can see here, bool push is the part in which where when you wanted to rent the car, it will go inside here, so it will stack how many cars you wanted to rent. In this program, you can rent up to 2 cars maximum. Scroll down a little bit more. This is the pop function for the rent stack class. In this, whenever you wanted to delete a rent of a car, we will call this function. Go down a little bit. This is the class car list. In this part, when you wanted to see what available car is provided by us, you can choose in the menu the car list available, and they will go to the car list class. Okay, next. And this is the second data structure that we've used, which is search. In this part, we've implemented to search brand, search model, and search engine. Next. And this is our main. Inside our main, we have a menu. Number 1 is list of cars, like I've said just now, when you wanted to see what available cars is provided. Number 2 is search preferred cars, like I've said also. Search by brand, search by model, and search by engine size. And lastly is rent a car. If you wanted to rent a car, the car will be stacked for a maximum of 2 cars. And then we have exit system as number 4. So for program demonstration, I will pass to my teammates Roshandev.
Alright, thank you, Azim. Azim, if you can change to my screen right now. Alright, so here we have the example of what can be seen once the program is run. So here are the options you can choose now. Firstly, here we have list of cars. Number 2, search preferred cars. Number 3, rent a car. And number 4, exit the system. So I'm going to go step by step. So first we'll choose number 1. So right here you can see that it will show us the available cars that we can choose, the car brand, the car model, the engine size, and price per day. So press any key to continue. It will go back to the main menu, at which they'll ask us which options we would like to choose. So I'm going to choose number 2, the next number. So right now we can choose what kind of search do we want to perform. For example, if you like to perform a search based on the car brand, the car model, the engine size, or you would like to return to the main menu. So right now I'm going to search for car brand. Azim, would you like to give me a brand that I could search for?
Let's try Proton. P capital. Huh?
Yes, Proton. So if I were to search the brand Proton, here is the results that will come out. We have Proton X50 1.5, 100 a day, or Proton Saga. So here is based on the search if you chose the car brand. Right now, what if I would like to search based on the car model? So Fahmi, would you like to give a model, or Azim, would you like to give a model?
Let's give Fahmi.
Alright,
I think I would like to choose my V.
my V. Here comes out the result, Proton IV 1.5, RM90 per day. So as you can see, this is all the options that we have. So if I would like to go back to the main menu, I can choose to do that by choosing 4. And right now, if I would like to rent a car, all I have to do is click number 3 and enter. So here are the available cars for me to choose. Now I can enter the number of cars that I want to rent. So for example, if I would like to rent a Proton X50, I have to click number 1. And the details of the car brand, the car model, the engine size, and price per day, including the total amount that I have to pay, would come out. And if I would like to rent another car, as Azim has mentioned before in this one, the number of cars that I'm able to rent are 2. So I would put in as Y, and it will ask me to enter a number of cars that I would like to enter, that I would like to rent, at the second car that I would like to rent. So I'm just going to key in another number here, and it will come up with the same listing of the car brand, the model, the engine size, and price per day with the total. So right now I would like to exit the system, and this is what will be printed. So as a conclusion, I would like to say that our project ran smoothly. We worked together, and with everyone's support, we did what we could, and we managed to finalize our project with what our objectives was from the start, and we managed to do what we wanted. So thank you very much, and we as a group apologize in advance, Doctor, if we've said something wrong or made a mistake throughout this presentation, and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.